every time I do an overtone color, it comes out really well. So the color we'll be doing is actually a combination of 3 colors. I have ginger, vibrant red, and golden brown. My plan is to touch up my roots. I'm probably gonna do like a bleach bath on my hair to try to get rid of some of the like purpley color. I'll come back once I have done the bleach stuff, and then we'll mix some colors together to figure out like the best combination. It's gonna be fun. Okay, we are definitely looking a lot blonder. In terms of mixing these colors, I'm going to mix a few variations and do a test strip, and then let's decide together what we like. Okay, we have a few things going on here. So this is ginger on its own. This is the golden brunette on its own. I'm just kind of curious what that looks like. This is the vibrant red and golden brunette mixed together. This is the same thing with a little bit of purple. Because my hair is so yellow right now, I thought maybe that might like tone it a little bit. And then this is ginger with vibrant red, which is just looking real orange. Okay, they're not 100% dry, but I think I have enough to decide what to do. Here is the like red and brown. And I think this is the closest because this is just too purple and then this is too orange. So I think I'm gonna do the vibrant red and brown, maybe a little less brown. This is such an experiment. Okay, I did a couple scoops of red, a couple smaller scoops of brown, and we will see what happens. Okay, here is where we're at. It's looking red, a little orange. I'm staying optimistic. Okay, are we ready for this reveal? I'm speechless, honestly. I actually went back, and after I washed that original color out, I put a layer of the golden brown on top. It just kind of turned it into this like fiery red auburn that I just could not be happier with it. I'm so excited about this. Stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna keep using oVertone because you all know how obsessed I am with it. And just once again, could not be happier.